In today's video, we're going to take an old, dirty plywood pallet and turn it into something useful. A huge benefit to using a pallet for your projects is that it is very available, and a lot of times you can get it for free. The downside is that there's a lot of upfront work that goes into shaping the wood, cleaning up the wood, as you can see here, to get the wood into shape for whatever you want to use it for. After you got your wood separated on the pallet and cleaned up, all the nails pull out of it, you can send it through the planer in order to clean it up. I realize that not everyone has access to a planer, and this can be an expensive tool. You could also do this by sanding it as well. Now I had some spare 1/4-inch plywood that I cut out to the size of the box, and I used that for the bottom of the box. As you can see here, once we have that cut out, all it is glue and brad nails to start assembling this box. Using a straight edge guide, I cut the top of the box so that we have a square box.
Wait. Get a good angle. We've got a box. Okay, I'm gonna zoom. Don't move it, I was moving.
Which one?
Now, because this is pallet wood, you probably need to use something like this, like a wood filler, in order to cover the nail holes. You don't have to do this. You can give it more of a rustic look if you want, but I was kind of going for a completed wood box here, so I used the putty, the wood putty, in order to cover all those holes. Now, if you're going to use wood putty, you're going to need to give it a nice good sand at the end in order to knock all the edges and tops of that wood putty down. Also just to smooth out some corners and edges that might be sharp. Now, my wife had asked for this box to be white. This is going to be an outdoor toy box that we're just going to use in our back patio. So I went ahead and just grabbed a rattle can in order to spray paint this white. here it is. This is the finished outdoor toy box. Fits perfectly underneath our outdoor patio coffee table. It works great for keeping track of all the kiddos' toys. Thanks for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it.